Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore a bit about content packs and community involvement in Power BI and the reason that it makes Power BI really powerful. So I'm already logged on to Power BI Online or the Power BI Cloud service. And in this, I go to the Get Data tab, or the Get Data button on the left. And the moment I click on it, it shows me discover content, so which basically means that I could connect to already existing services or apps which have been created by someone else and point them to my data and use pre-built or existing dashboards. So for example, I can click on services, get, and all of a sudden it's showing me all these visuals that are available. So these are visuals which have been published by different organizations or by Microsoft itself, which you can leverage by just pointing these dashboards to your data. For example, I'll just pick the Google Analytics one as an example. So what it says is that get insights from the sites that you're tracking. So I'll just do that. So I'll just click on get it now. And it will ask me to authorize, and I will say sign in. And I will just point to an account which I use to maintain analytics. So I'll just click on this one. And it wants to access the content. And I will say, okay, go ahead. So see, it's just authorizing it. And all of a sudden this app becomes available to me. So let me just click on this app. And you can see here now that it's this content pack. And I can explore different features. It's showing me average daily users on the right. And it's showing me how it's sort of moving over a period of time, and the number of sessions, and how I see the traffic or how I'm getting the traffic. So it's Sunday, the weekends are probably the slowest days for me, but people tend to come more to my website. And then it's analytics by browser on the right hand side, and average session duration. So if I like some visuals, I could probably just pin them, I'm guessing. So this is actually a report, and I can go on to that report. That's really interesting. So I've got a lot of underlying reports even on those content packs. So, and let me just right click here and let me go to this report. So I can access the underlying reports and the different visualizations and where I'm getting the content from. So this is a really interesting way to leverage what other people have developed, or where apps which are already pre-built and we can just reuse them, kind of like software as a service. So I hope you find this video useful, and this is a really powerful feature of Power BI. You can probably check the applications that you want to do analytics on, if there's any pre-built content available, and search it. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do let me know if it does help you, and if you ended up using any app or any pre-built service. Yeah, thanks, and please do subscribe to my channel and like my video if you've enjoyed my content. Thank you very much.